Well, hi there. Welcome to Bella's Vistas. Well, after our trip, we had a wonderful trip for 3 months. We were on the road all the way up to Tuktoyaktuk. Flew my drone out over the Arctic Ocean. Hi there. I just wanted to show you quickly how we're all set up here. My GPS is right here on my phone. It's a wireless charger hooked up to that. Got my coffee all racked up right here in case I need to have a coffee. And this is where we keep our camera system. Now this is the 300mm with the 2x, so that's 600mm on the OM, which is like a 1200mm. And then the widest we go is the 7mm right here. This is an amazing lens. Here's the 7mm, which is 14. So basically I'm going from 14mm equivalent all the way up to 1200. Everything is just amazing. Been using Olympus for a very long time, and that's how we're set up. When we're driving down the road, I keep this set right here, and I'm set on C1 or C2 in case I see a bird or wildlife, and it's worked very well for us over the years. Wow, what a trip. You can see where we went. We left from Kitchener all the way up to Tuktoyaktuk. This is Tuk right here. What a time we had, but we racked up quite a laundry list of repairs. Here I'm flying my drone out from the Arctic Ocean. I flew it out to the ocean, and then there you can see where I am right down there. That's me. Wow, what a blast it was. I was so excited doing that. There you see our van on the right. And what a time it was. But like I said, we racked up a lot of repairs on this trip. The van took a real beating on the highways up here. There's the highway from Haines Junction up to Tuktoyaktuk. We got some wonderful photographs. I hope you think that these pictures are worth the effort, because it was really hard getting up here. And if you stay with us to the end, you'll see all the beautiful pictures. We met a lot of wonderful people on the road. This couple from Germany, I ran into them 2 or 3 times. There's their rig, a big Toyota Tacoma with a custom-built box on the back. This fella helped me put the gas tank back on my van when it was falling off. Horse Thief Canyon. This is an amazing place. Kanaskas County. We had a great time. We saw a lot of wonderful things. Grizzly bears, look at that, wowee. I was so delighted to see them. This fox, I couldn't believe it. Black bear here, look at that, he's got some, has some porcupine needles in his nose, I think. We ran into a family of reindeer. What are the odds? I couldn't believe it. I was so happy to see these guys. Wonderful critters. I'm always torn between shooting video or shooting stills. I think this is a pretty good still on this fella here looking right at me. They're going across here. Beautiful fields of canola. I was so taken with the beautiful golden color. I flew my drone out over there to see what it would look like, and I wasn't disappointed. I really enjoyed doing that. Look at the horizon there. Just amazing. Beautiful skies too in the prairies. Look at the waving ground here. This is more what I'm used to shooting stills. Wonderful mountains and the water. This is live ND to make the water a little moving. Nice mountain in the distance there. Wow. And look at this panorama. I'm just delighted with this. We saw so many wonderful views like this. This is every bit as delightful as Lake Moraine as far as I'm concerned. And it wasn't quite as busy as Lake Moraine. I shot a nice panorama here. And then after I did that, I did a bit of an HDR here to bring out the detail in the sky and everything. I'm just delighted with that. We're headed into Glacier now. Look at this. There's a glacier park up in the distance. Wow, we look at that, what a glacier. It's beautiful. I mean, it's unbelievable to be there. It's cold too. These people are out walking on the glacier. That's with my 300 millimeter and the 2X converter. This was about 8 years ago in the fall when we were there. Wow, here we are, and that's where we had a breakdown. Our brakes failed us here. We were stuck at the side of the road for 6 hours. Didn't have any cell service, so I had to wait for some of the locals to send a tow truck out to us. The guy was amazing that towed us out. This is a beautiful place. Wow, look at this here. Pilot car. Now you can see the road conditions here, so this is one of the places we stopped. And it was nice to take a bit of a break, because the Dempster Highway, wow, it's harsh on vehicles, let me tell you. Beautiful big sky here. I love it. This is Tombstone Park. Now you don't always see Tombstone Mountain. There's Tombstone Mountain right there in the distance, but to get light on that is pretty difficult. We got something happening here when the sun was moving around. We spent days here trying to get the shots that we wanted. This is Engineers Creek. They should have called this Mosquitoes Creek, let me tell you. Wow. Here we are at the Arctic Circle. You can see the Dempster mud on the side of the van. And the van took a real beating, let me tell you. All the dirt there, but the dirt is not a big problem. We needed an axle, we needed steering repairs. You can see the road, look what it's like, I mean, wow. Just unbelievable. Potholes like this, they go down about 3 feet. Because of the culvert in the bottom is a separation, and the water washes the dirt all away. So if you drop your wheel in there, you're going to be stuck there. Here it is, Tuktoyaktuk. I didn't get there the last time. Now Bella wasn't alive to come up here with us this time. She got up to Inuvik the last time, but she didn't make it to Tuk. I was so disappointed. I was hoping she'd get up here. Again, I'm flying the drone over Tuktoyaktuk. You can see the radar globe in the distance there. Beautiful sunset. The sunset and sunrise are pretty much simultaneous because the sun touches the water and goes up. Look at that sun. Wow, it's just beautiful. I got up and I made coffee. I had no idea what time it was. It was 2 o'clock in the morning when we hit the road. Now look at this. This is just a normal video of the sky. I've been criticized about overemphasizing the colors and things like that, but this is just a straight video shot of the sky. Look at that. I mean, when you're up in the far north, you see things like this. What a beautiful fox. This was about 2 o'clock in the morning. And this ptarmigan here, this lady ptarmigan, the most beautiful bird I've ever seen, I think. There's her family with her there. Wow, we were so early on the road. Here we are back in Tombstone. Some fireweed in the foreground, and I woke up in the morning to a flat tire. I was so disappointed. I was going to take it off the van, and then I just had a look and I saw the place. Now here we are. I just found out that my gas tank's hanging down, so I got a strap and tied up the gas tank, and now I'm pumping up the tires. This fella was from New Zealand, Kiwi, and I helped him pump up his tires too. Here I'm putting a new strap on the gas tank to hold it up. I was just terrified when I saw the gas tank hanging off. Like, the Dempster really beats up vehicles, it really does. I'm in Dawson City here, just checking things out again, making sure I don't lose the gas tank. Well, wow, thanks for making me wear the jumpsuit here. Losing off some of that Dempster mud. Look at that mud, I mean, wowee. We saw beautiful sandhill cranes like this. Unbelievable. Here they are walking around. Now here the still shot is a little better than the video, but it's still a nice video to see these guys in the surroundings. Look at there, a muskox. Now these guys are a lot smaller than you would think to look at them. This bighorn, look at that sheep. Wow, I'm so delighted that I got to see this fella. And the antlers on this one, wow, what a beautiful beast. We got the sunrises and the sunsets. It was just fabulous. Every once in a while we'd have a problem. Look at this steering link. You can see the looseness in there. These are the fellows that helped us fix it. We're all good?
We're all good.
Oh man, that's what I wanted to hear. Thanks. There we go. Look at this. Beautiful vehicles. Making our lunch at the side of the road. No fancy stops for us. Now we're back home. We're replacing the bearing and the axle on the one side here. We had a whole laundry list of things that had to be done. The axle and the wheel bearing, that was major. I had to change throttle position sensor. You can see the distance of the trip. I mean, wow, look where we went, up through Whitehorse, through Kenora. Wow. Beautiful pelicans. These are our best shots from the trip. We're really happy with these pictures. There's a link in the description where you can look at some of our photographs and buy them if you like. You can send us a message if there's something you're interested in. Look at that fire on the mountain there. Beautiful fox, wonderful. The ptarmigan, beautiful bird. What a view of a mountain range. Little fireweed in the foreground. Beautiful skies. Wow, look at that. And the bears, we had so much fun with the grizzly bears here. They're just delightful. There's the mama bear and the baby bear. So delightful. Well, thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Like, subscribe. Come on back again real soon.